to 100K. 24 hours ago, I was sleeping in Savannah, Georgia, about to drop off the SMX. Today, we're going to start the Suzuki carry because this car is going to be driven to Cleveland, Ohio. Well, technically, it's going to be driven to Jersey, and then that's where I'm going to meet up with Mendy Imports, and then we're going to trailer the carry. But I will be driving the Terios, so we're still going to do a road trip. I picked this bad boy up yesterday. Looks a million times better, not only from the Teggy Touch, but with the amber lights. I got this little piece of the bumper. I know a lot of people might comment that it's missing. I know it's missing. Let's try not to focus on that. But look how good it looks. This front end, oh my God. Oh, and I drove this yesterday home. And I wish I was driving this all the way to Cleveland because it's such a fun experience to drive a turbo K-Truck. Someone who's driven so many naturally aspirated K-Trucks, driving one that's turbo that essentially has the same exact motor as my pink Alto is such a cool experience, and with the power windows and all the cool amenities. But no, unfortunately, we're just going to drive this one to Jersey. Honestly, once I get back from Ohio, there's going to be some major changes at the WayBeforeTheFame garage. I'm only going to have 3 cars to my name technically, and realistically just 2, because you guys already know how I feel about the Blueberry Lemon. But come February 1st, this car would be next on the chopping block. So no more Mighty Boy. I think I'm still going to drop this off to Techie, see if he can work his magic as far as the exterior goes. And then now that I have the carry gone, the Terios gone, and the SMX, I might even dip and dabble and try to really find out what we could do on this. But as you can see, it's still freezing. It's still snowing every day. So I know this car would not like to be started right now. But let's hop in the carry. This car is also fully serviced, so I know my 1-hour drive to New Jersey is going to be a piece of cake. And I've been driving the Terios around town, and I have all the maintenance parts with me, so I think that one should be fine as well. So let's hop on the road, enjoy this good old New York traffic, and update you guys once we link up with Mendy. Just made it to Jersey. Look at the carry in the sun with the tints, green fog lights, tri-spokes. I was gonna buy some open countries for it, but I'm telling you, man, I don't know if I could find another one of these. I'm going to definitely try while I'm in Japan. But this is just such a fun ride. Having a turbo K-Truck, I think it's also because I've never owned a supercharged sandbar. So this is the closest I've ever got to like a force-inducted K-Truck. But this thing is not only so clean, but it's also so loaded. Like, I was talking to David on the phone. He was like, yeah, you just find another one when you're over there in March. But, like, am I going to find another one with every power windows, with these cup holders, with this, with the tack, with a turbo timer, with another car charger? Am I going to find one like that? That is the question. So, now, let me just go to Chase real quick, deposit some money, and then we'll meet up with David, and we'll be hopping in the Terios and driving that. There goes my ride. Ultra low?
Yeah. Just so I didn't slip.
Damn. Dude's burning rubber back here.
This thing hauls.
It does, right?
Yeah.
I really need to stop cutting it so close. It's like I didn't learn my lesson from breaking down in the Wagon Double R.
Coffee and iced coffees. Gotta have caramel. Gotta have a Wawa.
Make a wish 77777. Update on the Terios. It's doing fine. You guys know we only have the most reliable, the most trusted cars on the Way for the Fame channel. And then when it's a lemon, I'll be the first one to call it. I might not find the name. Thanks to you guys in the comments. We found the name: strawberry lemon, blueberry lemon, pink lemonade. But the car's doing fine. I think we're about 4 hours away. I'm starting to get hungry, so I think we're gonna pull over at some point. But we're still gonna get there relatively early. I want to call this spot to see if we can check out these 2 S-Cargos for sale. Maybe we don't come back with an empty trailer. 4 more hours until I drop off the Terios and Cary, and that leaves us with just the rainbow of cars left. The blue mirror walkthrough, the red Mighty Boy that's getting picked up February 1st, and then the pink Alto, which I've bought a lot of parts for that car. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I've bought a strut bar, HKS intake, maintenance stuff too before anyone says anything, and a lot of things to make that car even better. I still would love to sell it because I would love as much capital as physically possible when I go to Japan. But if I don't, I'm coming back to a really cool car. Just fueled up on the Terios. Just fueled up on the truck. Cary's still here looking amazing. I think what we're gonna do now is get something from Sheetz. I also want to go to Walmart to see if I can find some Hot Wheels or something. It's up this hill. Successfully made it to Cleveland. Loving the snow. Actually gonna miss this car more than people think. Now we're just gonna crash in the hotel, meet up with Giovanni tomorrow, and we'll be 2 steps closer to headed to Japan. Last day with the Terios. Last startup with the Terios. It's currently getting a nice wash. About to drive to Giovanni's. Drop off both cars. We got the Cary all the way back there. 8-hour road trip back to New York. And then we now are going to shift our attention to the pink Alto and the Mighty Boy to an extent. I was talking to Gio yesterday. He was giving me some tips on the carburetor. So let's see if we can get that to start consistently with a couple pumps. First impressions?
Yeah, man. First impressions.
Yeah, what do you think?
I'm so excited about this. Actually, this is a big moment for me. I can't wait to dive into this.
Yeah.
Yeah, she looks good.
Teggy touch.
Turbocharged K-Tron.
I know. Everyone thinks it's just a supercharged sandbar, but it's not. Fully serviced. The only one that isn't a lemon.
Yeah, so this has like the paddles all done and everything, right?
Yeah, fully. Well, technically, they all do. Like the Mighty Boys, everything too.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, my mirror walkthrough too. Everything is.
You should be able to touch all this stuff.
Yeah.
Have a new cheat code now.
It looks so much better with the orange too. He didn't bring the black ones, but I could ship them if you really want them. Yeah. Are you gonna keep the tries? Or are you gonna change them probably, right? Because they're 12, so you can't really do much. But you can put open country 12s if you want.
Oh, that's true too.
Yeah. That's what I was gonna do if I kept it.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna swap it out.
Well, you got Mud Stars.
I was actually thinking about if I wanted to do redlining on this. I don't know if that's like a disservice or is that where?
No, I probably would have done it. But you could do it white also.
Yeah.
You don't have to do it black.
Yeah, I'm excited about this.
You're good.
Good?
Yeah, just stay straight. Yeah, stay straight. Dude's an expert.
Jeez, with inches to spare, baby.
That's how it is.
Yeah, you definitely gotta make
Have you ever drove or been in a Cary before?
No.
Oh, this is your first Cary experience, period.
Yeah, this is the
Yeah.
first Cary experience in general.
And then this, I've never even seen this in any Cary or Every, but apparently it's your fuel light, and sometimes it just, when the sun hits it, it turns on, but I don't think that really has any function.
I mean,
Unless you, like, I don't know.
off rip, the clutch feels crazy.
I like it. Some people don't like it.
God.
Do you like it? Don't like it? I feel like it's like a stage 2 clutch.
It's like instant. It's like my Skyline clutch.
Yeah, no, I like it so much. It's so responsive.
Wow, I feel like the interior is silent.
You right? For the engine being here, people always crap on the fact that that like, oh yeah, it's so loud.
Well, yeah.
Yearly heated seats. Like, no.
Even like the sandbar that I just sold yesterday.
Yeah.
It's more canny, I guess. Like it sounds more tin canny. This thing's quiet.
Yeah, it's quiet in here.
All right, let's go down this street. I like that we got the windows tinted.
Yeah.
Oh my God, the clutch is like.
I love it.
It's like right away.
Yeah. It lets you know it's a turbo K-truck.
Oh yeah, we're in two-wheel, right? So this bad boy
Yeah.
ain't gonna do no taking off or anything. Oh, I could work with this.
You gotta rev it out though to like feel the difference.
Oh yeah, it's definitely not your regular K-truck.
It's not your Acti.
Oh yeah, this is like, it feels like a normal car. Like
that's what I was saying. When I drove it only an hour to meet up with David, and I was like, yo, I'm cruising right now.
Yeah, that's
it's quiet. It has a radio. It does work. If you get an FM transmitter, you can put it doubled in.
Yeah, this is definitely not your. It needs a blow off valve, bro.
Yeah.
I wonder if you can hear it. Like even with
if you take off the filter, you can hear it.
I
yeah,
seen
like
it
saw my video. Yeah.
Yeah, I seen
like
it
if you
video.
drive without the cap, like the cap, it'll hear it.
Right now it's dead ass silent. Like they did a good job with sound deadening.
Yeah.
It's definitely.
I'm gonna miss this one for sure.
Yeah, it's funky. No, I'm gonna do some justice. I'm gonna wet sand.
Yeah. No, yeah, it's going to someone who's going to put more time and energy into it, which is always cool.
Yeah, it's gonna look good. It's gonna look good. We're gonna wet
Yeah.
sand everything, get the paint corrected. Oh, let's go. Oh my God.
ACT clutch, bro.
This thing is like, dude, it's fast.
It is. It generally makes a difference.
Oh my goodness.
And you can rev it all the way to 7.
With no problem. Look at this, bro. 80
and
kilometers
comfortability
an hour.
too. I think you're really gonna like this. Like,
what safety first, right? Somewhere in Mexico.
yeah.
It sounds great.
Yeah, it does.
Oh my God, this is actually a lot better than I thought.
Yeah, I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you. People can't sleep on the Terios. 4-wheel drive, stick shift, 1.3, doubled in, heat works, AC works, rear wiper, defroster, can go comfortably 75, 80 miles per hour, seats 5.
And this is all-wheel drive all the time?
No, it's rear wheel. That button, when you press it, you'll see the light come on.
Oh, this is 4-wheel drive?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's not even all-wheel.
Yeah, no, it's fun. It's rear wheel drive, dude. True cruising.
Smooth as eggs.
Yeah, the shifter's smooth. Dual airbags. And it's still K-size. Like, I mean, there's pretty much a lot of room in here, but it's
This
not.
is the same size as the Terios kit?
I think it's bigger because it's not a K. Well, it's definitely bigger because it's not a K.
Yeah, because this is definitely...
Yeah.
I mean,
Like, I don't think you're going to have this much room like here. Like, I can't even touch the dash or the...
It sounds so fun.
Yeah.
That's smiles per gallon on that.
Yeah.
Wow, I can work with this too, man. It's all just exterior stuff.
Yeah.
I can definitely handle that.
Just dropped off the Terios. Carry should be coming in any second now. If anyone's looking for a Marigino, hit up the homie Gio. It's located in Cleveland, Ohio. It's this nice purple, automatic, non-turbo. Got the famous seats with the paisley pattern. I know some people can't find it sometimes, but look, it's right here. It only has 79,000 kilometers. Doubled in. Even has a backup camera. Wow, it smells great in here too. And it has this, which is sick. It's funny that it has this, and then the Terios also has it. And just like that, we're going back to New York with an empty trailer. About to eat at this restaurant called Big Boy. Anyone in Cleveland, let me know if this is worth going to, or maybe this is a chain. But we're about to get some food. Head back to a drawing board. Maybe we buy a car. Maybe we don't. If this video ends right here, we did not make any fun stops. If it doesn't, then this thing might have some tries, maybe a car. Who knows?
Remember the name. This is way before the fame.